Divers.
And this is simply this. Hop in if you keep being a distraction. I'm not kidding about being outside. There's no place you want to spend the day. Graphing the function of x is x cubed. Okay? X cubed, well, they're called cubic functions. And a cubic function, I guess this is the parent of it. I mean, that's the general one. But a cubic function really is this. You can start with x cubed plus an x squared plus an x plus a number. You know, whatever it is. And we will not look at this because this is an incredibly complicated thing to graph. Okay, so the only thing we're looking at is simply what the graph of an x cube is. And it's really kind of an interesting sort of thing. If you look at the graph of it, if we do it out in table form, starting with the easiest possible numbers here, if you put 0 in for x, it should be a cube. 0 cubed is 0. So you start at the origin there. If you put a 1 in for x, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. If you put a negative 1 in for x, here's where it gets a little goofy. If you do negative 1 cubed, it's negative 1, because negative 1, if you do it out, negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So you end up with negative 1, negative 1. So 1 is 1, negative 1 is negative 1. 2 is going to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And negative 2 is going to be negative 8. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here, children, is what the graph of the parent graph of x cubed is this. It goes like this and like this.
Whoa. That's pretty cool.
Okay, and the only thing I'm going to ask you, the only shift that you are going to have to know is if there happens to be a single number after this. Like if I said x cubed plus 1. And the only thing that is going to shift is it's going to take this and move it up one place up here to positive 1 or whatever it is. It's like I drew it a couple times there.
Would it be the opposite if there was a negative number?
If it was negative, how do I do this? So I'll take it down.
Just erase it.
No, I take it down to the garbage can. I haven't had to do that in a while. Why won't it let me take it?
Wait, grab it and then let's
Anyways, let's just pretend that's not there.
It's neither here nor there.
So it looks like this. There would be x cubed plus 1, x cubed plus 2, plus plus plus. If it was x cubed minus 1, it'd be down here, and so on and so on and so on. We're not going to worry about getting it over there because it doesn't really happen. Let me just tell you, if you were graphing something that looked like this, here is what it ends up looking like. And I don't even know if this is close, but it ends up being, it's like this line gets warped, and it actually ends up a lot of times looking like this.
Oh,
Mm.
fun in a bun.
Okay? It's just, and it's something you don't want to graph. So,
Wait, so we're not gonna do that, right?
no, you are only going to be responsible for seeing this and saying, oh, that's the graph of x.
Oh, okay.
That's all you
Wait, so then for